There's another one called Swaneville. It is also owned by a mining house, Harmony Gold, that piece of land. And it has become a source of crime. So my point is, Comrade Prima, is that I think that the mining houses must come to the party. They can't just stand and become innocent or honest bystanders when land where they've made millions, if not billions over the years, that they consider that land no longer profitable, they leave it. And criminals go in there, they build houses, they steal, they cause harm to our people. So I think that while there's a multi-pronged approach which involves all stakeholders, the mining houses must be involved. They can't just be left not be involved.